All right, everybody, here's your grammar lesson for the day. This is for Thursday, week 3. So the first one is asking you to come up with yes or no about these compound sentences. So number 1 says, my dog's name is Gracie, comma, conjunction, and she's my responsibility. So yes, that is a compound sentence. Number 2, Gracie would never hurt anyone, but she can sure bark a lot. So you've got your conjunction, no comma, so not a compound sentence. Number 3, Mom said Gracie would love to have a little quiet. Mom said Gracie would have to be a little quieter or she would have to stay in my room. Same thing. You've got the conjunction, but no actual comma, so no. Okay? For your next part, we're still looking for those prepositions and prepositional phrases. Sometimes my dog Gracie sleeps in my bed with me. Where? Where is Gracie? She's in what? In the bed. With who? With me. She curls up either under the covers or on top of my pillow. Okay, where? Under what? The covers. On top of what? Of what? The pillow. So see, that has a couple. That has 3 right there. If Mom comes in my room, Gracie has to get on the floor. If Mom comes where? In what? My room. On what? On the floor. Then Gracie keeps jumping up the side of my bed to see what I'm doing. So guys, from that, you can actually see what is happening there. So where? Up what? The side of what? Of my bed. Okay? So it's kind of showing you where the action is actually happening. For the next one, your sentence is, it has 2 simple sentences, and you need to put them together using a compound sentence, making it a compound sentence. So you have, Gracie doesn't like getting a bath. It's better than being smelly. So this is, saying she doesn't like it. Here, well, you got to do it anyway. You're going to be smelly. So the conjunction we should probably use would be but. Okay? Then you're going to make this period a comma. You're going to make this capital I a lowercase I, and then you are going to rewrite it, making sure you made your corrections, okay? So you would say, Gracie doesn't like getting a bath, comma, conjunction, but it's, and guys, that is a contraction. It would be it is by itself, but here you have IT apostrophe S. It's better than being smelly. Okay? So, Gracie doesn't like getting a bath, but it's better than being smelly. So the ones you fixed here, guys, you add the comma, you fixed but, and then you fix that I to a lowercase I. Down here, you are being creative with your own prepositional phrases. So it's just like up here, you're just adding where the location is. So let's say we saw a hummingbird through the window. I went on a camping trip with my family. I chased the squirrel around the bush. He was getting the bird seed from the bird feeder. And then I saw the submarine submerge below the water. So see, guys, you can be as creative as you want to be with those. Okay? For your last one, which sentence is written correctly? Is it time to feed Gracie? Asked Mariana. Okay, if she's asking a question, guys, the question mark has to be with the dialogue because that is where the question is actually happening. So you can mark out A because there's a comma. You can mark out B because there's no punctuation. And then here you have a question mark in each one, which is correct. So now you have to look at the end, okay? The question was already here, so that should be a period. Your last one says, is it time to feed Gracie? Asked Mariana, period. That is your best answer. So D is the one to go with. Guys, please make sure you review this. You have a quiz tomorrow, and let us know if you have any questions.